The modern world runs on electronic systems that are designed to last many years. Precious natural resources are used to produce semiconductor chips and other electronic components destined to be mounted on printed circuit boards that are critical to modern technology. Expensive circuit board assemblies are used to control vehicles, drive production machinery and robots, fly airplanes, harvest energy in wind turbines, and so on. Costing as much as tens of thousands of dollars, they are critical in managing power, safety systems, complex industrial equipment, and many other applications. The traditional approach of replacing faulty industrial components for new ones is wasteful, unnecessary, and aggravates the ever-growing e-waste issue. According to the United Nations University, more than 50 million tons of e-waste are produced globally every year, needlessly feeding world landfills. The prevalent replace not repair mentality urgently needs to be superseded across the business world as a vital step in eliminating waste, lowering emissions, and saving precious resources. ABI Electronics, our supplier of PCB repair equipment, has started a Repair Don't Waste movement, which seeks to draw the attention of business leaders, academia, and an even wider audience to the benefits and techniques of developing efficient repair, not replace techniques in industrial electronics systems. Their new Repair Don't Waste website has been designed to give access to relevant technology and training for repair techniques and for sharing knowledge and best practices being implemented by leading organizations that are reducing waste and costs, with the bonus of creating quality technical jobs across the world. The website already includes helpful posts, articles, and videos, and it is intended that the website will evolve to bring even more tips, advice, and case studies from across the world in industries such as manufacturing, defense, aerospace, rail transport, energy, and others. The Training Resources section of the website provides access to resources about the technology, training, and standards required for the effective implementation of a repair, don't waste strategy in businesses and organizations. RepairDon'tWaste.com intends to explore the technology, training, and standards available to ensure the critical assets are effectively repaired rather than replaced, thus reducing costs, waste, carbon emissions, and downtime, inspiring the next generation of cost-saving repair heroes. Take a look at RepairDon'tWaste.com now.